We're back now with Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin. We made it to April, and this is always a fun time of the year because things are fresher, and why not tie some cheese into it too?
I know. So spring is sprung in Wisconsin, so we're talking about fresh cheese, cheeses with lots of flavor. Today we have a cheese with fresh basil. If they're bright, they're colorful, and all things Wisconsin cheese.
I love it, and April's kind of a big time of the year for cheese too.
Yeah, and then, in fact, this month we have the Cheese Conference in Milwaukee, and we induct the new class of Wisconsin Master Cheesemakers.
Love that.
7 new Wisconsin Masters will earn their medal. There's only 96 people who have ever earned this certification in Wisconsin. A very big deal. You have to be a cheesemaker for 10 years.
Wow.
And then go on to school for an additional 3 years to get that master medal. Really like a PhD in cheesemaking.
That's a big deal in these parts.
The cheese that we're featuring today is made by Steve Stetler. He's a Wisconsin Master Cheesemaker in Broadhead. He has a certification in 6 different types of cheeses, including the farmer's cheese that we're featuring today. So
all right.
Super exciting.
And what are we putting this into?
Well, this is the tea party sandwiches, and for April, it might be fun to host a little tea party. Maybe you're having a bridal shower, a baby shower, all those fun get-togethers. But these are just like mini sandwiches that can be fun for a crowd. They feature the tomato or the basil farmer's cheese on one layer. It's a layer of French bread. There's also some salami, prosciutto. You can see there's tomatoes, spinach, and then to top it off, there's a homemade green goddess dressing on top.
Yum.
So a lot of fresh herbs in that as well. So really a lot of fun flavors, springtime. And then you can put some fresh edible flowers on top too. These are violas that you can see and find in many of the local greenhouses, but they just add a lot of spring flair to your meal.
This just screams April for me.
Yes, so you can find all of these recipes online. They're also part of our spring edition of Great Pear Share. This is an online magazine. It comes out 4 times a year. It has lots of fresh ideas for spring entertaining.
All right, and where can we find this recipe?
You can find the recipe on wisconsincheese.com, and you can find the cheese locally at Decatur Dairy.
Awesome. Angie Edge,
Thank
as
you.
always, with our tasty inspiration. Thank you so much.